Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3,
Welcome to Shamel. Welcome to Shamel's waterfall.
Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education.
Mommy doing here
I try
trekking.
to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up,
Say hi to camera.
wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Come here, you and you say hi. Hi.
Ups and downs.
Hey, say hi, hi. Say hi.
Times I'm high, all the times I'm barely breathing now. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yeah. Negative thoughts are poison the ride. Head full of flies, so you don't fly. Don't ever stop unless I just fall. All the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. I felt you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit because it's temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
You like this?
Wake up,
You like this?
today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they ride. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. So you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good